Let's see how to change the name of a Ring camera. So super simple. Here on the app, you just come to the three dots and open the camera settings. And here, come to device settings, general settings, and here you're gonna find the device name so you can rename it. Here, for example, I have the device name as hallway. Then I can just come here and change, let's say, office. So I change to office, save, and I'm good to go. Now I have the new name here for the camera. Back here to the main screen. Now you'll see my Ring camera with the new name here, office. Okay, so pretty simple. That's basically the way you can rename a Ring camera. It works for any camera that I have available there. I'm doing here for this Ring indoor camera, but it also works with Ring doorbell cameras. All right, I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.